Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Synthesia. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Synthesia, how it actually works, what it is, its key features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and most importantly, whether it really is the best way to make videos without being on camera. Let's get started. Synthesia is an AI-powered video creation platform that allows you to turn plain text into fully generated videos using digital avatars. Think of it like this. Instead of recording yourself speaking, you simply type your script, choose an AI presenter, pick your voice and language, and Synthesia creates the entire video for you. And this is not just basic animation. We're talking about realistic human-like avatars that can present your content in a structured corporate or educational style. This tool is mainly used by businesses, educators, marketers, and training teams. Now let us talk about the main features of Synthesia. AI avatars. The core feature is this library of AI presenters. These act like virtual actors that read your script on screen. They vary in appearance, in tone, in style, and allows you to match different audiences from corporate to marketing content. Next is a text-to-video generator. This is the heart of the platform. You simply paste your script and Synthesia turns it into a full video with voice, visuals, and a presenter. No cameras, no editing skills required. Multi-language support. One of its strongest features is automatic translation. You take one video and convert it into multiple languages with synchronized lip movements. This is especially useful for global companies. AI voiceovers. Synthesia also includes AI-generated voices. You can choose different accents, tones, and speaking styles depending on your audience. Next is the custom avatars. On higher plans, you can even create a custom avatar of yourself or a brand spokesperson. This means your company can have a consistent digital presenter across all content. Next is collaboration tools. Teams can work together in real time, and that makes it easier for businesses to manage large video projects. We also have branding. There are ready-made video templates and branding options like logos, colors, and layouts that help keep everything consistent and professional. Now let us talk about the pricing. Synthesia is not a one-time payment tool. It works on a subscription-based model. There's a free plan which is basic and can generate up to 10 minutes of video per month and 25 AI-generated video assets. There's a starter plan at $18 per month, a creator plan at $64 per month, and an enterprise plan. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Synthesia? First, the pros. No camera needed. Is a huge time saver. It's great for business content. There's multi-language support and it's easy to use. How about the cons? The avatars can feel robotic. There's limited emotional expression, and the subscription cost can add up. It is not ideal for creative videos. So, is Synthesia the best way to make videos without being on camera? Well, the honest answer is it depends on what you want to do. I describe Synthesia as a powerful business tool, not a full replacement for traditional content creation. It shines in the corporate environment, but it's not the final answer for every type of video creator. And that's it on the review of Synthesia. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HeyGen, Pictory, and Colossian. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.